se zamenju razkužil prav.
Countries around the world continue to put up a fight against COVID-19, and closing their borders to hotspots of the virus is one way they're trying to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Slovenia is the latest nation after Austria, who has closed its borders with Italy. This comes just as Rome imposed new travel restrictions on its own citizens. With more than 600 deaths from the coronavirus, over 10,000 infections, and the northern region's healthcare system in danger of collapse, Italy is the first nation to place itself under a